How to access digital vaccine cards on your Clear application or Clear website. To do this, to get your card here, you just need to click or open the website called Clear on your website on your browser. If you're using phone, you can use the application. So you can see how to set up getting a COVID-19 certificate or any type of medical certificate. Step 1 is download the free Clear application from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and then scroll to Digital Vaccine Card. Here you can see that you can add my vaccination from it, click on get started, enter the email address, and then you will be asked to snap a quick selfie to confirm the photo as per your government ID. Now upload a photo of your CDC vaccine card or search for your vaccine provided from the list and the link by logging into your patient portal through the Clear application. You can simply log in. Once you upload it or linked, you will receive QR that shows cleared. This is your secure digital vaccine card, and this is how you can easily use it. You can pull this card even or when needed by opening the application, scrolling down to the same section, and then click on digital vaccine card, and then it will show you. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.